The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 was formally unveiled at the new product launch conference. The recently unveiled Smart Band 8 adopts a new design and has stronger fashion features while maintaining professional sports monitoring. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 has more features and a greater selection of accessories. The Smart Band 8 is a good option for users who like to exercise and play sports. The wristband-wrapped wristbands of previous generations' traditional ID design language are abandoned in favor of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8. It uses two colors, black and light gold, and a middle frame material with a metal texture. On both sides of the bracelet, quick-release wrist straps are present, which can be disassembled with one touch, and the colorful wrist straps can be replaced easily. There are as many as 10 wristbands of different materials and colors on sale, including TPU colorful wristbands, leather plaid wristbands, woven wristbands, double circle color matching leather wristbands, stainless steel leather chain wristbands, etc. In terms of sports, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 supports comprehensive sports monitoring, supports up to 150 plus sports modes, and professional sports algorithms. Supports professional sports algorithms such as maximum oxygen uptake, recovery time, and sports effects. Smart Band 8 still adopts the classic ring design, with two colors of black and light gold. Thanks to the more metallic body, the bracelet looks more advanced. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 adopts magnetic charging, and the battery life can last up to 16 days, and it can also reach 5 days in the always-on display scene. The wristband adopts a wristband quick-release structure, which is easy to disassemble. The official provides wristbands of various materials, including silicone material, metal material, leather and other styles, suitable for wearing on various occasions. You can also make combinations yourself, such as choosing two silicone wristbands in different colors to make the wristband look more personalized. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 has added a light sensor, which can automatically adjust the brightness according to the ambient light. At the same time, the first Apollo 4 blue light chip supports a screen refresh rate of 60 Hz, bringing smoother animation switching effects. In terms of dials, in addition to rich personalized dials, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 also supports interesting dials, which can play fun games on the screen of the bracelet. When the phone is out of power or signal, you can use the bracelet to pass the time. Smart Band 8 is still equipped with a wealth of sports recording functions, covering water sports, outdoor sports, training, dance, fighting, ball games, etc., covering many mass sports and professional sports. Not only does it support many exercise modes, but the Smart Band 8 also optimizes the exercise algorithm, allowing you to view information such as maximum oxygen uptake, recovery time, and exercise effects, making it more professional for exercise data analysis. Through the Xiaomi Sports Health app, the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 can also be turned into a somatosensory game console. Users can follow the tutorials to take boxing somatosensory interactive courses. The bracelet can recognize the user's punching movements and enjoy the process of entertainment and fitness. In addition, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 is also equipped with running courses on the wrist to help users perform effective running exercises according to your own needs. After each exercise, users can also view their own exercise data through exercise records and can judge their own exercise conditions through exercise load in recent days. Users can better understand the effect of exercise and plan the next exercise. In addition to allowing users to record exercise and master a series of exercise data, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 can also record a series of health data of users in daily life. While recording the user's daily health data, it can also provide corresponding health reminders to the user. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 also supports the vitality value for the first time, which can be converted into a vitality value score based on personal medium to high-intensity activities within 7 days, so as to evaluate the user's vitality status, which can be used as a reference for users to formulate exercise plans to avoid over-exercise or under-exercise. In terms of sleep detection, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 can realize more accurate sleep recognition by turning on high-precision sleep detection. Users can check their own deep sleep cycle, light sleep cycle and rapid eye movement cycle to better understand their own sleep conditions. You can also connect with phones, TVs, speakers, headphones and other devices and control the playback status of the devices through the bracelet. While continuing the advantages of the previous Mi Band, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 improves the experience of the bracelet and further enhances the fashion attributes. It is not only suitable for sports, but also suitable for daily wear, making the bracelet not only a sports health device, but also it is to become a fashion item. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.